Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Experimental horror films. We are in a different genre, a different class. We are known as the artistic filmmakers of that particular genre. We are the expressionists, and at Morbid Team Entertainment we want to bring that to you. So if you're going to be an aspiring actor, actress, in one or more of our films, then you know what you're getting into, essentially. Lots of gore, lots of blood, but more in an artistic fashion. We are not the typical Hollywood film where you're running away from the perpetrator. We are doing it more in the expressionist style of costuming, props, color, things of this nature, to be within that classification. You're going to view our films in art schools and colleges, things of this. We're typically not going to be into a theater, more than likely. We're also going to be online. You'll be able to purchase the DVDs. This will be in different formats, will be available for you at your fingertips. But we will be making low budget, experimental, avant-garde films. Total artistic value. This is what we at Morbid Team Entertainment are all about. We'll be making films. This is, as you can see, the Bolex right behind me right here. We'll be shooting on film, celluloid, no digital. And everything is done by hand, just like it was done long ago, before digital came into the picture. So this is what to expect. Understand, avant-garde films, avant-garde horror films to us, are total expression. Alright? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like and share. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group, and put a like on the page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.